Hey there, and welcome to Fynk, where our contract management is so natural that it turns me into Snow White. That's right, this very real bird, which is alive, and definitely not a piñata, has even come to watch this video where I'll show you how fun it is to make a template in Fynk. As an example, we'll plan a karaoke night and use Fynk to suggest a list of songs. Now to start, we'll go to Fynk's templates. Here, we can create a template from our gallery of templates that include contracts for various cases in business, like sales contracts, employment contracts, founder contracts, etc. In our case, we'll create our own. Here, we can start typing up a contract from scratch, ask our AI to help, or we can bring in a Word document. We can also make it look nicer with pictures. Now, you'll see below, we have a long list of songs, and anybody who has ever done karaoke knows how hard it is to choose. The songs here, we have a theme. They're all animals. So one way we can help people choose what songs they want to sing is give them the choice of their favorite animal. In Fynk, we'll do this first by creating a dynamic field. We'll give it the name, add the list of animals, set the default value, and set this as something that'll be externally available so that when we send this document to our friends so they can choose their songs, they'll have the ability to choose which animal they want to use. So as you see, I've now added another picture, made it look a bit prettier, and set up the song list to change. You might notice some of these songs here are grayed out. That's because I've added what in Fynk we call a condition. That means that when the song theme equals bird, this will be displayed in the contract. But right now, there's no value for the song theme. We didn't set a default, so it's not grayed. And if I save the document and then show the preview, we'll see there's no songs listed. All right. But once we create this document from the template, then user selects which animal they want us to choose, then that will show up in their list. So since we've done that, we've already hit save. Let's now publish the template, and we can create and send this document. Now we've created the document, and we can go over to our dynamic content section to choose what our song theme is going to be. Now, as you may recall, we have our little bird mascot here at Fynk, which again is fully alive, not a piñata. This thing lives, it breathes, it eats. So obviously I will choose the bird. And as you see, that has now turned all of the bird-related songs green. And if we go to preview and show what the final document will look like, again, we see all of the bird songs here in the editor. So once we've made this decision, we can then send the document for review. And if we need to, share it with external collaborators. Now at this stage, we don't have anything to sign, so there's nothing more that we have to do. And we're ready to, if we like, download this document as a PDF. But in the case that we were working with a contract, this is where we would start the signature process and send it over to our employees, our partners, our clients, our vendors, whoever that may be. So as you see now, it's super fun and easy to create your first template in Fynk. Now that you're ready to go, happy contracting.